not just getting things done faster, but actually getting so much more done in less time, you can reduce your overhead. Tracer bundles all the necessary tools that your field workers need into one convenient package that resides right on your phones. From the task list, your calendar, all your project's cases, work tickets, and GPS navigation built in. All the information captured on a Tracer-enabled device sends information back to your office in real time, so you can get your accounting, accounts receivable, payroll hours, inventory, and inventory replenishment. Everything is done within minutes in real time, so you can get the invoice out, get paid, and move on to the next project. At the beginning of the day, your worker can click on Cases to get a download of all the projects that are waiting for them that day. It's very easy for your workers to get notes about their places or projects for the day simply clicking the note icon. And any notes for the project are listed. Let's look at the first note here. Here we have a list of some instructions for Jack Dobson, one of the workers that might be working for your organization, where they have information that they need to pay attention to at the beginning of the day. If the worker wants to add notes, they can easily do so. Here is an example of a note that the worker may have entered into the system. If the worker wants to add information to this note, it's very easy for them to do so. If your workers have bad handwriting, they can use the optional keyboard to enter this information in. Workers can easily document specific problems on specific jobs and can also document remedies that they use to solve the problem. If they use materials or chemicals, material and chemical is automatically removed from that worker's inventory supply on his or her truck, and that information can be updated in real time in your office so you know what materials or parts are needed from your vendors to replenish supplies. Sometimes it's useful to add a picture to your work ticket for additional information, for evidence, or for documenting what happened in the field. It's very easy to do. Simply click on the ticket, click on the camera icon, and you can simply add as many pictures as you would like to that particular work ticket. After you have chose your picture, click the Save Disk icon. When the worker is ready to go to the next job, simply click the GPS icon, and the system will automatically provide the worker with turn-by-turn navigation on how to get from wherever they are to the next customer's job. The important part of the navigation is whether or not your worker is using it. The GPS system is automatically tracking where the worker is, when they arrive at a customer, when they left a customer, how much time they spent at the customer's location, how much time they spent driving, and all that information can be sent to update your payroll, job costing information, not to mention getting very quick updates on if you have workers that are deviating from their official routine for that day. If the worker wants to get directions to an address that may not be in the database, they may simply type in the address in the destination field.